So right now I'm in gold buys. I took it based off of the 10-minute actually. Let's see. It was based off the 10-minute flow, but I think I took it based off of more like the 1-minute momentum because price was moving really fast. It was when price came right here. I gotta learn to be bad sometimes. I gotta learn to be bad. It was based off of this 1-minute entry, right? Had I did what I wanted to do, maybe I just got to get used to it because everything was in flow, right? You had the 4 hour today was finally bullish, right? This right here, bullish, bullish. Okay. And that's what I didn't have yesterday and the day before that. Um, yeah, so I'm in buys. If you look on the weekly, this really could go on forever. Who knows, right? Because look at where we are with the EMA. You know, at this point, the 4 hour broke bullish, which is what you would need. The daily is still bearish, but if the 4 hour if the 4 hour breaks above this level, then we're good, and more than likely I will want to hold all my trades. I'm gonna see how long I can hold this trade for because I really like weekly setups. Like you get really, really good long-term entries from there. So yeah, I'm just bullish right now. And it's crazy because this is exactly the move that I was waiting for. But I'd rather not try to take the trade without 4 hour favor. Because I took some buys here and then stop loss got hit. But had I just waited, had I had I don't know. Because I was like, I lost and it wasn't with the 4 hour, and that's the minimum time frame that I need things to be with, but it's all good. I don't think this is bearish anymore. I will have a bearish bias again if price shows me on the 4 hour that we have broken support. Something like this, like a candle like this. But then at that point, it depends on, hey, what is the daily doing also? Like, have we been maintaining higher lows or like what's going on? So we'll see how that plays out next week. But for today, we're in a very potent area still on GJ. It looks like it almost wants to break this weekly level, but I don't think so because we haven't. Therefore, it's still bullish. Gotta put a little attitude, a little flair on that. Let's see on the monthly where we are. What is that right there? A place of liquidity? You know what I'm saying? I didn't even see this. I did not even see that. Wow. Powerful. Okay, so I'm not going based off of this, but like this is what the white line represents. I just wanted to go to the highest time frames and see if there's anything else correlated regarding the monthly time frame, because the weekly time frame is bullish, one, and two, directly to the left, we're still in that liquidity area right here where we see all these wicks. So on the 4 hour, what I'm looking for is some sign of transition. And so far, all I have is higher lows. So we have, okay, yes, beautiful, this one big old engulfing variation. But most importantly, we have an engulfing variation right here. And because, we have is mostly sellers right now, like I can understand if the 4 hour creates a wick or something. I don't know. Right now, I'm thinking if I see a 10-minute higher low and engulfing or 15-minute same thing, I'm definitely going to want to buy, because if I put this on the higher time frames, here you go. So this one level all the way to the left, where price created support before flying bullish and breaking new highs. Well, let's go to the 10-minute and just go all the way across. So this is where we are right now. This is the lowest point according to the 10-minute. And since I like to take my trades based off the 10-minute, and the 4-hour already gave me some type of reason to want to enter the trade, I'm gonna go ahead and use this level. If price does not give me a double bottom or higher low or something, then I just won't take a buy. Then it's fine. We'll go into next week and see what is the tea. Next week, though, honestly, I would still have the same exact bias, which is buys. And I would look for, signs of transitions on the 4-hour time frame before doing anything. So yeah, that would be the plan. And yeah, for gold, for entry on gold, a re-entry, a potential good entry would be like looking for, because everything's bullish. I mean, everything regarding the 4-hour. So I got my weekly bullish. I got my 4-hour bullish. That's 2 time frames that matter. And then I got the 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 10. All those are bullish, right? So yeah, we'll just see what happens. I plan on just trailing stop losses on the 1 hour time frame. Oh, and also another thing I would like to look out for. So on the daily, we're technically bearish still. So I don't want to make the same mistake I made here and get a little bit too ignorant with remembering where I am. Like, for example, if I begin to see breaks of support on the lower time frames, I'm gonna want to exit more than not, just because yes, I have the 4-hour time frame in my favor, but I don't have the daily in my favor. I do have the weekly. We are leaving from a good area, but still, at least I would like to take a portion of my trade out, maybe not the whole thing. So yeah. So that's that on that. And then yeah, we'll see if there's any type of engulfing on GJ. On the 10 or 15-minute time frame, I definitely want to buy. And we already had our little news for today. So yeah, happy trading. Let's have a good next week too.